You know, I think that Bitcoin is digital gold, and that means it's faster. I can.
Hi, this is Paula from the sales department.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I just sent you an email with a quick request, but I thought I would give you a call because it's kind of urgent. I need to know the total revenue we've made with 2 of our products. Do you have time to pull those numbers and send them to me later today?
Sure, no problem. So you need revenue and margin. Do you have a pen?
Yeah.
Okay. Oreo ice cream, sales amount 1189, margin 57%. Breyers, sales amount 9162, margin 60%. Nice margin.
I'm in shock. How did you know that so fast?
Paula, how long have you worked for the company? Yeah, I see it. 2 years anniversary last week. Happy anniversary. So, Paula, you've worked for the company for 2 years and you don't use MicroStrategy yet? Did you hear about HyperIntelligence cards?
Well, I've seen some emails about it.
How about this? I will come to your desk and I will show you how it works. Which floor are you on?
On the 7th. Desk number
7102. I will be up in 3 minutes.
He knows everything. The goal of this video was to show the old ways of getting information and insights are over.
You no longer need to wait for your report to be generated, or worse, for someone else to generate a report for you.
HyperIntelligence is a revolutionary breakthrough in business intelligence that brings instant answers to everyday applications.
With Hyper.now, you can seamlessly install HyperIntelligence, create your own cards, view and share them with your team, all within an hour.
If you want to be hyper-productive by immediately surfacing the answers you need
and shock your colleagues with your amazing speed,
visit microstrategy.com and click on HyperIntelligence to start your free 90-day trial today.